In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a group on LinkedIn. Start by opening the LinkedIn app on your phone. When the app loads, you'll land on the homepage, your feed with updates from your connections and the pages you follow. From here, we'll use the search tool to find groups that match your interests. Groups on LinkedIn are communities built around shared interests, companies, or industries. They're useful for asking questions, keeping up with niche news, and meeting professionals beyond your immediate network. Joining the right ones can expand your reach and make your feed more relevant. At the top of the screen, tap the search bar and type the word Google. I'm using Google as an example, but you can enter any topic, company, industry, or hobby you want to explore. Once the results appear, look just above them for the row of filters and tap the Groups tab. This narrows the results so you only see LinkedIn groups related to your search. Browse the list and tap any group you want to view. On the group page, you can usually see a brief description, the number of members, and sometimes group rules. Take a moment to skim this information so you know what the group is about and whether it's active and relevant to you. When you're ready, tap the Join button on the group page. For many groups, you'll be added right away. Some groups are private, which means your request may need approval. If that happens, you'll see a pending status and you'll be notified once you're accepted. After joining, you can scroll down to explore posts shared inside the group. This is a great place to catch up on discussions, learn from others, and share your own insights when appropriate. If the group allows it, you can start a conversation or comment on existing posts. As with any community, be respectful, follow the rules, and aim to add value to the discussion. If you want to join more communities, repeat these same steps with different search terms. Try variations and related keywords to surface more options, and use the groups filter each time so your results stay focused. That's all it takes to join a group on LinkedIn. Open the app, search for a topic, switch to the Groups tab, open a group that interests you, and tap Join. With a few quick taps, you'll be connected to people who share your interests and goals, making your LinkedIn experience more useful and engaging.